Hello, everybody. My name's Rick McCutcheon. Today on Partner Talks, I'm with Dave Cacioppo from emfluence. Dave, say hello and tell us about emfluence.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for allowing me to join you today. As you mentioned, I'm Dave Cacioppo. I'm President CEO of emfluence. emfluence is a marketing automation platform provider. So we have a SaaS product. In addition to that, we are a full service digital agency. So our SaaS product helps folks create, deploy, and track multi-channel online campaigns. And we have a very tight integration with Microsoft Dynamics 365 and the Power Platform. So we can connect to any app, a custom app, or any existing app on the Power Platform.
And Dave, you know what I really like about your product is, it came from a marketing team, right? It was designed for marketers, not technologists. So they didn't figure out how to code this thing and how to build it and integrate it. They figured out, this is how we want to work. This is what we need to use, but then did a great job building out the underlying technology.
Well, thank you. Yeah, and that's something that's really important to us, is that we always try and keep the marketer's perspective on this, right? And so we actually use our software ourselves, not just to market ourselves, but on behalf of clients. So we are active users of the system, which means that we're some of our best critics and worst critics, and so we're always looking at how things operate and how they could be better. So we're always building things with the marketer in mind. It's our belief is that the hard part of marketing is strategy, figuring out what you're going to do and how you're going to communicate. The easy part should be tactical execution. And so that's what we're solving for with our marketing technology, is simple tactical execution.
Okay, so Dave, one of the things around your product is it kind of sits in between. So it sits in between like the big enterprise marketing automation, like Dynamics marketing, but it gives people more than a MailChimp or a Constant Contact. So let's talk about where you guys sit in the marketplace.
Yeah, so we're really our best target is sort of the Microsoft mid-market group. So it's we have some small businesses that use our software. We have some enterprises that use our software, but mostly our sweet spot is folks that have a marketing team of some kind. So 2 or 3 or 4 people on the team, and have actively understand what their strategy is, know what the kinds of things that they want to do, and have the manpower to do it, and then just need software to make it easy. And so that's what we do. So we have, and when you compare us on to the MailChimps of the world, it does what it does. It sends email. And then you look at the enterprise applications and they do lots of things. In terms of features, we sit far closer to the enterprise software. So we create, deploy, and track multi-channel campaigns. So that's emails, just simple things like newsletters and things like that, but also workflows and automated campaigns. So it's landing page generator is built into it. There's an online form generator, so you can create lead capture forms as well. We have a survey tool built in as well. The ability to publish to social channels, so we can create, deploy, and track content on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter. We have a contact or lead scoring model, as some systems refer to it, where you can track activity, so behavioral activity, if someone clicks on a link or visits a web page, all those things, and we associate a score around an individual contact record in a system, and that becomes actionable data. So there is just a lot of features and functionality built into a really nice user interface.
So, you've integrated with Dynamics CE/CRM for the last several years, and you've got quite a few customers on that platform. But I hear that you're now supporting Power Platform. So if someone's building their own CRM or application in Power Apps, emfluence will support that?
Yeah, absolutely. So when we went about connecting our system to Microsoft, we connected at the Dataverse layer. So we're connected in at the data layer, and as a result of that, that means that any Power Apps, we can connect to any Power App. So the only requirement is that there's an email field to key off of, but that means that people that are out there building custom apps, or people that have built systems like a Rapid Start, which is a sort of starter version of a CRM, we can connect to that out of the box. And it's a really cool opportunity for people to be thinking about what the custom applications they are building and how that relates to marketing activity that they would like to be executing, and merging our two systems together, you really have two best in breed solutions.
And because we're on Partner Talks, I'm going to ask you, you sell through Microsoft partners?
Absolutely. Yeah. Yep. So any partners that are interested in working with us, or anybody that's already working with a partner, you can reach out to your partner or reach directly out to us, and we'll communicate with the partner and make the connection there, and walk through a demo and show you what we got and how it connects.
So I think working with Power Apps really opens things up around not just CRM, but any Business Central users or any F&O users can, easily tie into your application.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And that was by design. We wanted to be able to connect to lots of different systems, and saw the opportunity where people can build so many cool things so quickly using Power Apps. But reinventing marketing technology like to the scale that we have is a pretty daunting task for anyone. So when there's a really good system out there that's easy to integrate, that's a massive shortcut for everybody.
Okay. So I know your team has been big supporters of Dynamics communities for several years, and the big conference is coming this October in Orlando. So Summit 2022 already. So Dave, are you going to be there? And if so, what are you going to be showing people?
We will be there. So we will have a booth there and a presence there. We'll have a couple of speaking gigs there. So anybody who's interested in learning about marketing and sales, marketing alignment, those kinds of subjects, look us up. We'll have a couple of speaking gigs, but we're also willing. We just love to talk marketing. We're super nerds about it. So come by and visit the booth. We're happy to walk you through a quick demo or schedule a one-on-one demo somewhere and to show people what we've got and how it connects and what kind of cool things they can do with it.
Okay, David, thanks for your time today. And I'm sure we're going to be back to you at some point to talk more about marketing automation and sales alignment and all things emfluence.
Awesome. Really appreciate the opportunity.
Thank you. Bye for now.
Thanks.